Okay. So we back once again. We back once again, my friends. And yep. So I did a thing. Told y'all I was gonna do it. So let's go to the site right quick. Now when you go to Nerdy Black Clubhouse site, you can go to the Good Morning Rasta Jellies. That's what I was going over yesterday. I was telling y'all that I was gonna come back and show y'all the metadata and everything that I had to do, right? So how about we dive into that a little bit? Okay, so I went ahead and deployed the contract. I deployed the smart contract today. So let's pull that up. Come on, man. I'm kind of tired. I've been doing this all day long again, and kind of tired. But I'm about to show y'all this and call it a night. So yeah, with the metadata. See, I tried to go ahead yesterday. I didn't have the token ID. You see how I have the token ID up there now, and I have the metadata in here for everything, right? So I didn't have the token ID. I tried to make the description longer, but it wasn't working. So what I went ahead and did was I was trying to figure out how to make it all load up to NFT storage. So the first thing that I did was I went and I uploaded the pictures, you know. So if you go here, this will be the pictures. I got all the pictures, right? So you got your pictures, remember? Yeah, so I would take that string and then I put it in the metadata. And so this one right here is the metadata, right? So I took that picture and I put that right here where it says image. And then I took this right here and I uploaded it to the IPFS server. And then I took that and I put it in the Open Zeppelin wizard right here in this URI. That's where I put it at. Then I open it up in Remix. And then right here in Remix, this is where we're at. And we're about to mint the last one actually. We're gonna do it live right here. Show you. Okay, so Remix. Come to Remix, you make it takes you over here. You come compile it, compiled it, it went through, boom, boom, bam. Got my smart contract that I got from Open Zeppelin. Told them what kind I want. ERC1155, of course. Mintable, burnables, supply tracking. All my little specifics. Bounced it over to Remix. Compiled it, like I said. Then boom, deployed it. Once I deployed it, it pops up on Polygon. If I'm going fast, you can always run it. Pops up on Polygon Scan. So Polygon Scan shows all the transactions. This is the public ledger, the blockchain, where it shows all the transactions from this contract. So when I deployed this contract, when I push that deploy button, right, first you have to connect to check the Web3 or MetaMask, and you're gonna have to have some Matic in your wallet and go ahead and deploy it. And it deployed, and that's how I got my smart contract. Then I had to go over here and verify it. So smart, I had to flatten it and then verify it. I'll do that another time. Show you how to get this all done. But yeah, so this smart contract is on the blockchain. You can go and look it up. This is the contract address right here. You can just go to polygonscan.com and look up anything that's on Polygon that's been deployed. You can look it up, anybody's wallet, all that good old stuff. So here we are on OpenSea, and you see it has all the information for this collection here. I went ahead and edited it, put the background, put the main picture that I wanted up there, put a little bio right here. Got a couple people going and looking at it and liking the pictures. You can go check it out. I'll leave a link in the bio so you can go check out the GM Rasta Jellies and all the significant information. But as you can see, we only have 99 items minted so far. So I want to go ahead and show you how I minted every last one of these. I had to go and create every last 100 of these metadata from scratch. I did this whole entire project from scratch. It took me like a week. And it's going to be a continuative generative process where I'm gonna be going live, creating music, and if you got one of these tokens, you get access to behind the scenes footage and early access to the album that's coming out, all the files, all the songs, all the retakes. I'm saving all the retakes. You're gonna get access to all of them to go and do whatever you want with them. And then the original ones, I'm probably gonna release on main chains and offer some kind of percentage to my music. Since I own all the rights to my music, I can do that. I can give you guys a percentage of the music for going and listening to it. Get paid yourself type deal. It's not financial advice. Okay, so yeah. Let's go back to Remix one time. So once you deploy a contract on Remix, you can interact with the contract right here, and you can also interact with the contract right here. If you just go to, you can go to write, you can read the code, and you can go to write. You can write to the code right here. You can mint, batch, burn, save, transfer. You can set up rule for all that different stuff. But this time we're gonna be doing it in Remix because this is where I deployed the contract and I got everything set up and it's been working right. And so we're about to mint the last one live. And so let's see here. As you can see, the gas fees for Matic is 1 cent compared to $6 on Ethereum. This doesn't make sense for me to go and spend money to mint when I can do it right here for a cent and get the same result. You know what I mean? So as you can see, it says transaction is pending. If you go right here, oh, it's confirmed already. I was going to show you, but it's all good. So it's already confirmed. So what we do now is we go back here. We can just go back to my main profile, and you can see that it's still coming. Right now it says not available. I guess it's just taking a little minute for the blockchain to um, interact with this. So let's just refresh that. It'll pop up in a minute. Just give it a minute to pop up. It's the last one. And so I went ahead and took the liberty and created different pages, did all the stuff on Rarible as well. So you can check out the collection on Rarible. I mean, it's all booming. Let's go and go through. See, this one's coming up. This one's be the new one. See? Boom. Yep, that's the last one. And you can probably even see, let's see. How do you see it on here? Oh, properties. Oh, they tell you the properties, green, yellow, spiritual, 19.5% of them are spiritual. They all got different musical talents. They all got a favorite thing that they do. You know what I mean? Um, history. 1 minute ago, this was minted. See? Live. Everything is live. Let's see if it's popping up on OpenSea now. And it is. See? It just takes a little minute. But so basically, the way that these are popping up, right? You see the attributes? That's all from the metadata, you know? If you go right here to details, you can see the chain is on Polygon blockchain, ERC1155. This is the token number 100. Remember, we went right here, we'll put in ID 100 into my account, and we minted one, right? And this is number 100. So you can click on this and you can see the metadata for it. And when you see all these different traits, color, personality, this is the metadata. This is how they fetch the information to bring it up right here, right? And generate the picture. Even the picture. This is the image right here. That's the URL. So you can take this URL image right here, copy and paste that right here, right? And press enter. Since it's on the IPFS server, it's gonna pop up. Boom. And that's where he lives at, right? So that's just a little back end information for you. You make this work with the blockchain, and it's always going to be there on the IPFS server. It lives there forever. So, for instance, like when I did the Black Rose with the song, and how I'm gonna do the rest of these, the collection of the NFTs that are going to be associated with these are the music NFTs, and they're going to be on the blockchain forever. And you'll be able to trade them, sell them, keep them, reap the benefits from, whatever you want. You know what I mean? But we just minted the last one live. 100 good morning jellyfish. Get your morning started right. I really like this one. Some of these are really dope. I really like these. I really had fun creating this project. This guy is like one of my favorites. But I really have fun. This dude too. This guy. Some of them are females. This one right here is Lee Scratch Perry. Right here. Watch. See, you come down, it says the 49th GM Jelly named Scratch Lee believed in the power of love, shared his message of unity with the pirates. He would often wear a tiny necklace with the Rasta colors on it. And then his attributes, his colors, is red, yellow, and green. His favorite activity is dub, musical talent, legend. He's the only one with this talent. And he's the only one with a thunder and lightning personality. Thunder and lightning crashing. Rest in peace, Lee Scratch Perry. It is. So yeah, we're gonna be having some dub. If you're a dub fan, you do reggae. I'll be producing and I'm gonna be doing all my stuff live. So link it up, G. But yeah, I just want to show you guys this how that worked. If you're interested, you can go and you can look up the metadata standards. This is how I figured out a lot of different things, and it kind of gives you the breakdown right here of how you do everything. An example of the metadata if you're looking to do this yourself. You just go and you just read, and you can actually just copy and paste this, and it'll work for you that way too, right? So yeah, if you got any questions, if you need to know anything, I can help you. I'll help you. Just hit me up. Okay. So go back here to the website and go to nerdyblackclubhouse.com or .net and there's a video I posted yesterday. You can open see and check out the marketplace that I built for free with wearable. And you can come on here and you can place your offer for one of these if you want. In fact, we'll just list these right now. Show you how this happens. I'll list it right now. Okay, so now they're open for bids. You can make a bid if you want. Whatever you think they're worth, let me know. Polygon contract, wearable. So there you go. There you have it. Told you guys I was going to get it done. That's the walkthrough of how I got the metadata linked up with the NFT and the NFT on OpenSea and Rarible and other sites as well. Got a marketplace going, got a website updated, and now we're just ready to create some music live. Showed you guys how to go on Open Zeppelin and use Remix. Any questions you got, hit me up. Thanks for tuning in.